Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Mint personal finance app review to see if it's worth using. Mint was a free budgeting app that allowed users to link their financial account, track spending, set budget, and monitor their credit scores. It was known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. However, as of March 2024, Mint has been discontinued and users are encouraged to transition to Credit Karma, another intuitive product. While Credit Karma offers a credit monitoring and some financial tools, it lacks the full budgeting capabilities that Mint provide. Mint was a valuable tool for personal finance management, but its discontinuation users seeking similar budgeting features may need to explore alternative apps like options like YNB, Monarch Money, Rocket Money offer a robust budgeting tools, though some may require a subscription fee. It's important to assess the financial management need and choose an app that aligns with your goals and your preference. And that's it.